Welcome, I'm your host Luca, and today we are going to make something obviously beautiful and fantastic. We're going to make sort of calzone, right? A stuffed baked pizza dish. So if you're excited, you want to know how to make it, you want to see what I'm going to put inside and make this beautiful delicious meal, just keep on watching. This is Cooking at Home with Luca.
Start by adding 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast to 1 1/4 cups of warm water. Stir and let it sit till the yeast activates. Then continue by adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour into the bowl of your stand mixer. Add a pinch of salt and stir to mix. Continue by adding the activated yeast in the water into the bowl, and with your dough hook, mix to form your dough. Add a splash of olive oil and continue to mix until the dough pulls away from your stand mixer sides. Voila! Cover and set aside to run.
All right, now that we got our dough formed, I've set it aside. It's going to rise. We're going to let it rise double in size. So it could take anywhere between an hour and a half, 2 hours, depending on where you place it and how warm it is. But you want it to rise double in size. So while it's doing its thing, we're going to move on. We're going to make some beautiful dill pesto. Yes, some dill pesto. So what you're going to need to make this, some kosher salt, you got your fresh dill, 4 cloves of whole garlic, extra virgin olive oil, almonds, and a half a lemon. So if you're excited and you want to see how this beautiful stuffed calzone pizza turns out and how delicious it's going to be, keep on watching. Let's get rocking.
Start by adding your fresh dill to your food processor, continued by your 4 cloves of whole garlic, 3 cups of almonds. Continue with a pinch of kosher salt. Squeeze the lemon juice out of a half lemon. Add olive oil and then pulse until you get your paste. Add your now fully risen dough to a floured rectangular pan and stretch out to fill every inch of the pan. Add your dill pesto to 1/2 of the dough. Continue by adding some shredded matzo cheddar combo on top of the dill sauce, followed by some mild salami, continued by a few slices of Havarti cheese, some fresh mortadella, continued by some sliced turkey breast, followed by some more mozzarella cheddar combo. Fold the dough in half and bake at 450 for about 20-25 minutes until the top is nice and golden brown.
There you have it, beautiful, delicious stuffed pizza calzone. Fantastic, delicious. I'm Mr. Fantastic, also known as Luca. This is Cooking at Home at Luca. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, so you get alerted when I upload new and fantastic recipes just like this one. Once again, homemade calzone stuffed pizza, homemade dill sauce, dill pesto sauce, beautiful, fantastic, delicious. Till next time, tutta tavola a mangiare. Ciao.